Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So estamos aquí in Riverside. We are at the annual chili cook-off. This is the first time that we come here. Mason's going to be performing today. Well, his band is. Area 91 is going to be performing here today, and we're super excited about that. Let's check this place out. A ver, let's go. Mom is pulling the wagon con todas las cosas with her chair and our tip jar. So let's see if we can cut through here. Oh, and it's also a car show.
And vocals, is that new for you? Tag this band, tag Apple in his band, tag us.
Okay, this is the boys' green room.
Our secret room.
Your secret room.
Secret room. Secret.
Are you gonna take it out now?
Yeah, we're gonna go start setting up it.
Okay.
All right.
All right, go.
There's a stand behind the stage if you want to use it.
We're setting
Yes,
up,
we're
right?
setting up, Raby. Quesito. I love you. Yeah, we love. All right. I'm not gonna make a lot of
Yeah, baby. Babe, no te emborraches mucho.
No, dude, ¿cómo me voy a emborrachar, babe?
Look at Rigo and my mom are laughing over there.
Míralo, míralo.
Oh, he got a girl now. He got a girl now. ¿Qué fuiste a agarrar?
Un chicharroncito con limón.
Palambre.
No, para mí. Para mí. Limoncito
Ooh,
y
those
chile.
look good. How much were they?
$4.
$4?
Allá en mi rancho cuestan.
Esos en
unos-
México, ¿cuánto cuestan?
Allá cuestan como like $2.
$2?
$2. Como $2.
Yeah. In
Porque están
Mexico,
grandes.
those are like $2. Over here, they're $4. You want some?
Porque
Yes,
están
sir.
grandes.
Yes, sir. Mira.
$2. Yo
Palambre. Appetizer.
quiero. No más.
Mira. And then later on, we're going to go have pizza. Woo! These are all the tips. They're all the
We have
tips.
one last one. We have for our top bottom, hold the trophy, give it a couple pistons and card.
Okay, so now we're done. It's 3:50. We're gonna go home, drop everything off, and then we're going to Papa Joe's Pizzeria. So that's the plan for now. So let's go home, drop everything off, and then we're gonna take off to go eat pizza.
What do you want to eat right now?
Yo lo grabé.
Ray, no te lo compro ya que me saque la lotería.
Mira.
¿Eh?
Hello, everybody. We're back.
Okay, so we went home, and we took a nap, and now we're heading to Papa Joe's Pizza. So that's where we're going. And look at Jake's face. Se quemó. You can't really see it. You can't see it through the phone, but he's burned.
Me quemé. Suegra, ¿cómo está?
Quemadita pero feliz.
Yo también. We're part of the same team, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Estamos quemaditos pero
A mí
felices.
me gusta.
A ver, déjeme entrevistarla. A ver, suegra, ¿cuánto dinero tiene en su juego de Keno?
Ahorita tengo $1,350.
Está pesada. O sea que you're like a big gambler, huh?
Ojalá que fuera de verdad.
Pues casi. Me imagino, imagínese si realmente, if you're really using that money in a slot machine,
¿Tú crees?
you'll be making that much right now. But how many days has it been that you've been playing?
Ya tengo como ¿cuánto, Belita? Como
Like 3 weeks? No. With the money that you want?
una semana.
A week.
Una semana.
Yeah. And you play that total max or the total bet or no?
Nunca. En el Rio Casino no.
But right here on this game, she
Es lo
does.
que estoy jugando puro máximo.
She's
I
playing
heard-
max bet.
I heard that it's good to play the total max, pero así se va el dinero rápido en el
Pero,
casino,
ajá.
¿verdad?
Pero yo cuando voy a jugar, nomás juego de Acora porque me gusta
And I
jugar.
also feel that when you're playing at the casino, when it's real money, you don't win as often. But this one, because it's a game,
Sí,
you're winning more. Like you win often because it's fake money,
Sí.
you know?
sí.
You don't think that it's like kind of the same system que tienen allá?
No.
Porque allá la ajustan, maybe they have a ways to like...
Yes, because at the casinos they change it. It's like they program it so it doesn't give you as many jackpots. And
Hey.
this is a game,
Es un
so
juego.
I forgot to tell everybody that is listening at home that my mother-in-law and my wife both work for a casino at the same time. Did you guys know that?
we worked at a casino years ago.
¿Verdad?
San Manuel Casino.
For real, that is cool. So you guys
Yeah.
work? Do you guys work the same shift or different shifts?
No, we didn't work at the same time, ¿verdad, Mom?
No.
I worked at San Manuel first.
Ajá.
And then when I left, my mom started working there.
Me dejó su puesto.
Oh, ¿de veras suegra?
Sí.
Oh, that's interesting.
Habló con su manager y luego me
Yes, so
dejó en su lugar.
Ajá.
Sí, así comencé.
yeah, so pretty much when I left, my mom started working there. But we did the same thing, like pushing the drink carts.
You guys got good tips?
Sí.
Yeah, it was good tips. Like I would go home with, how much money would you go home with, Mom?
Máximo como, I don't know.
I would usually go home with almost $100
Sí.
Nice.
a night, but that was back then.
En
People
aquel
used to
tiempo,
tip.
sí.
People used to tip a lot more back in the day.
Sí.
And so your tip was your tip, or do you have to share it with
No,
like
it
other
was
employees?
mine.
Y
Like
luego
we
yo-
each had our own little cup of like our tip jar, and whatever we made that night was ours. You know, plus whatever we got paid by the hour.
Hey, so did you guys witness a lot of people losing a lot of money, like just
Yes.
Sí,
Like, it
trabajé
gets
muchos
crazy, huh?
años.
Yeah.
Trabajé muchos años
We
y se ven cosas bien feas.
we saw a lot of people.
es como la adicción a
¿Te
la mejor,
acuerdas?
¿verdad?
Mom, ¿te acuerdas cuando, who was it? Were you the one that saw it? Or I saw it? Donde estaba a husband and a wife. They were crying outside the casino because they lost all their money.
A husband and a wife?
Bueno,
Yeah, the husband and the wife, they estaban afuera, they were outside. And the wife was upset because I think he gambled their mortgage money.
sí.
And they didn't have any more money to pay. First of all, they were already behind on their mortgage, and then the only money that they did have to pay for that month's mortgage, they went to the casino to try to see if they could make more money to pay all of the past payments, and they also lost all of that money. So they were outside and they were
That's tough.
crying.
That's tough.
Lo cual es una tontería eso de andar apostando para ganar.
Sí.
Si vas a jugar de vez en cuando en un casino es para irte a divertir un rato. Y si ganas, pues ganaste, pero no irte a gastar un dinero que no tengas.
It's almost kind of like saying like, okay, I'm willing to let go of this money. If I lose it, I lose it, ¿verdad?
Yeah, and it's not gonna
Tienes que
hurt
tener
me.
un
pero
límite.
si vas pensando que lo vas a doblar porque es lo único que tienes, nada más
that's
no.
No, yo
Yeah.
por ejemplo cuando voy, llevo por ejemplo, digo voy a jugar como like $50, $60, máximo, como no voy seguido,
Ujú.
puede ser como hasta $100, pero es todo. Pero juego de Acora y puedo jugar hasta
Ahí se la pasa, ¿verdad?
6, 7 horas.
The most we have gambled is 100, no?
Yeah.
James.
I always like, yo siempre llevo como, I gamble like 40, I mean like at
Am I
most
gonna go this way?
$80, suegra, y ya si los pierdo, that's it.
Es todo, así
Ajá.
debe de ser. Pero para divertirte, pero no para ir pensando que vas a ganar, porque ahí es donde mucha gente comete el error y pierde hasta lo que no tiene.
Exacto.
Okay, so now let's go to Papa Joe's. Let's go. Okay, so we're finally here and we ordered. Okay, mom, so ordenamos la pizza de chorizo, ¿verdad?
Con jalapeño.
Con jalapeño. We ordered a medium, chorizo con jalapeño y unos wings, ¿verdad? Okay, okay. So allá está Jay ordering our pizza. Let's hope he gets the order right. Oh, there he is. Ahí viene. Oh, sí, Rama. Ma, look at Jay. Acting like he's drunk. Oh, see? Like his magic tricks. Oh my God, look at him.
I know my wife's filming, bro, so I had to do something.
They all thought you were drunk?
Oh, yeah, just when I was gone.
Okay, we got our wings.
Está bien rica. Vamos a probar.
Those wings are good. They are spicy. I tried them last time, pero se me olvidó que estaban spicy. They're good, huh?
Delicious.
Yeah. These are really good. You gotta dip them. A ver, abre la boca. We were looking for you.
They're good for you.
It's good. We're just waiting for the chorizo with jalapeno pizza now. Mason's waiting to go and make his own pizza. Is he still waiting right there? Are they still waiting? Okay. What,
Ready,
man?
guys?
Ready? I cannot, girl. No. Nos quiere matar. For Palm Springs? I don't know about that. So this is the first process. They're letting the kids make a pizza. So what are you guys gonna make the pizza of?
Dough, cheese, no sauce.
Are you guys gonna make it a pepperoni pizza? Pepperoni
I
and
don't know what they're gonna have. I just want to do pepperoni.
that should work here.
I don't think I would do a good job.
Unfortunately, we
You
don't.
guys will get fired the same day.
I'll fire myself.
First and last day.
Thank you, Eli. That's the Mexican special right there. I was supposed to film it. Oh, that's the meat lovers? Oh, that one's coming up? All right, sounds good. That's coming up. This is the meat lovers. Todas las vienen ahorita de chorizo con jalapeño. No sé si... Rudy, you ordered this one too? The meat lovers? Dice que el Rudy ordenó todas. Ese es de Yamirael. That one.
Thank you, Eli. We got the chorizo and jalapeno. Check this out. Yes. Thank you, Eli. This is our favorite. You cannot go wrong with chorizo and jalapeno. ¿Mira, ma? Woo, ¿ya estás lista? So this is the kids' pizza. They did a good job. You guys did a good job. Look at that. Jake, were you guys trying to win me that little alien?
Yeah, we couldn't.
You couldn't?
No, we tried twice.
How did the kids get all those little aliens last time?
Have Charlie do it. Charlie loves that game.
Charlie's good at it?
Okay.
Okay,
We're
Charlie.
gonna ask her.
Yeah, we gotta have Charlie do it.
She's good at it.
She is? Hey guys, okay, so ya salimos. We are out. Estamos bien llenos. Oh my God. Okay, so you guys saw what we ordered. We ordered a chorizo and jalapeno pizza. We got some wings.
Mason got to make his own pizza.
Yes, Mason got
Pizza was really
to
good.
make a pizza. It came out really good. We got ice cream, beer, everything. It was so good, and now we can't wait to get home. With that bed, we are
Yes,
so
and
tired.
relax. It's been a long day.
It's been a long day, guys. We went to the chili cook-off. We came here to Papa Joe's Pizza. We had
Mason
a great
performed.
time. Karaoke is always it's always a good time here at Papa Joe's all the time.
Hope you liked all the music that we showed you. Hope you liked the day.
Yes.
Thanks for tagging along.
Thank you for coming along.
So make sure you subscribe.
Subscribe. Hit that bell. notifications so you guys don't miss any videos that we upload. ¿Qué más? ¿Qué más? Leave us a
Yeah,
comment.
that's it.
Let us know what you guys liked about the video. And that's it, ¿verdad?
Yep.
See you guys
See
on
ya.
our next YouTube video.
Bye.